aroma. So who is in front of the camera today? This is your assembler showing us how to make it differently, and is the no mixer cake. You don't need mixer, just put everything together and bake. That's just, we just want to show you differently how to make it differently. So guys, this is our ingredient. I have my eggs, 6 eggs. I have my sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, half cups of vegetable oil, half cup of milk, and just 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And of course, I have my yogurt. That is all it takes for you to make this cake. 2 cups of flour, 1, 2, 1 cup of sugar. This is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix together, guys. So let's drop our flavor. It can be your any flavor. It can be your any flavor. Just 2 drops is okay. 2 drops of flavor. So you do your milk. Ooh. Your eggs. Half cup of veggie oil. It can be any of your. It can be any of your oil, but not red oil, guys. And 1 cup of yogurt. This one. I'm done with this one.
Mom, can you do one with fruits and one without fruits?
Yeah, that's what I want to do now. This is the one with fruit. Look at it. Beautiful.
What fruits are in there?
These are different kinds of mixed fruit. Don't forget to paper wax your pan. You know. Ooh, ooh, look at this. Clean, done, dusted. Dead, guys. And not like it. You miss it. Ooh. Oh God. Let me know what your comment is in the comment section, guys. Like, share, subscribe. This cake is simple. It's the best thing you can ever do, you know, guys. So guys, thank you so much for viewing this. We will see you again.